Go away. Just leave us alone. You go away. Go.
Actually grow. Don't go. Just grow. Just grow.
You're gonna get it. Don't.
Wait, part of your ear. Wait, this is a ear. What's my cottage?
So, you know, me up in college, like,
meditation increases my meditation. Oh my God! 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 Oh my God!
There's actually a website called Tour, not Tour.
You know who your God is. You know what we're giving y'all is. Thank you. I'm the song. I'm the one. Wanna smoke with a bit of the dough. I'm gonna measure the dough.
Can you sleep? Can you sleep?
Another money now. Do it to the love of the give me my honey. Give me a sunny. You know that it's really kind of funny. Oh my goddess, oh my God, oh my goddess, oh my God, oh my goddess, oh my God. Chips fly. No heart, make it no bar. I'm going to bar. I'm going to bar. I'm in the door. I'm going to this guy here, there's weekend. Guaranteed, he's pretty rich. Yo. I'm like, yo, send that to him. Look at his chest. He is the champ. Holy fucking God.
I just was overheating. Oh my God.
the culture bad, I'm feeling so bad. I shout out the lady who the tails are turning, you know that I feel the serpent. We've never been a hype beast. When I'm running over tight beats, he's really gonna say it's a hype beast. But I'm doing that right now.
Why did you come there?
Yeah, we can't rock it. Not even close. If you like to party, yeah, I told you the beat and I'm going to introduce you. You know that you know I like you. I'm going to say that I still did you know that. So you know we got the love of our community.
Like I'm the boss.